This is a bat system that I made a long time ago and has really worked well. It's just Masonite with a square cut out of the center and then a little crescent shape. The crescent shape makes it so that this little square can easily be popped out. On my wheel head, I throw a patty of clay, and that's what holds this in place instead of bat pins. And that just makes it so that my hand isn't hitting the bat pin. And it's also going to make it so that when I make a wider circle with a wider square, there isn't a hole somewhere here interfering. All right, this is a circular saw, and it has a great safety right here so that when you're done sawing, this closes and makes it so you don't cut the cord. You should wear eye protection and ear protection when you're using this saw. So I'm going to cut along these long straight marks first, and then I will cut these intermediate marks second. I'm going to drill holes in the corners. And this will just make it easier to maneuver the jigsaw as I'm cutting out this square. And then I'm going to use this jigsaw to connect that, and then this piece will completely come out. Then I'm just going to go back and clean up the corner. All right, and then I guess I'll cut this out first. All right, yay, no more sawing. And then it's just taking off this burr. And it won't be completely round, but it's okay. It's just to keep your hand from bumping along the corners of the square. All right, and then this little doesn't like turning that fast. Wait. Done. So having these is awesome because if you want to throw something small, you won't have this huge bat around it. You'll just have a small square. And it's quite affordable. One sheet of this is something like $15. A 4 by 8 foot sheet. Let's see if they fit. Sometimes you have to trim them a little bit. So if you had a table saw, this would be even easier, but lots of people don't have table saws, so you can do this with a small saw too.